So we're doing some work on the road today. Have a rock outcropping that we knew was coming out. That's why we were testing the Sierra Blaster not too long ago. And we're getting ready to blast that little outcropping. And here she is. We've been waiting to get here. You can see we got her all set up, ready to blast. Hopefully the way we got it set up is we're gonna pop that top section off, pull it down, backfill into here, and then come down and do one more row of shots and get that popped off. Trying to build the road up this little creek right here to get up there to the mine shaft. Alright, so there's the rock. The thing that's standing in the way of our forward progress, but we've gotten a lot of it. We've gotten a lot of it knocked out. So right now the plan is to get up here with probably another 50 feet. We'll get up and tie in, and that's the mine shaft. So previous owner just threw some trees and stuff on top of it.
At the end,
and
tell them to subscribe to this. Guys, comment down below, subscribe to this video. And here is my mama. Yeah, guys, I'm ready for a bath. Hit that like button so hard it will spell the right button.